Of Operation Crime and Justice and the execution of Darrell Hines for the murder of a Middle Tennessee woman more than 40 years ago. Now, before the execution, questions were swirling around whether the state could actually pull this off. This after the last attempted lethal injection failed. Governor Lee at that time gave Tony Carruthers a one-year reprieve. That was back in May. After a doctor at the time working for the state tried unsuccessfully for an hour to insert a backup port to deliver the deadly execution cocktail. Fox 17 News' Karen Aguilar was one of the official witnesses of today's execution.
I saw Darrell Hines grunt in pain before he lost color on his face. Hines' attorneys argued to delay his death sentence because of his health problems and a previous botched execution. But from what I saw, there were no complications. The victim's family says they've been waiting for this day for a very long time.
I hope he felt severe pain, because what he did to my mother.
Justice for the family of Catherine Jean Jenkins after more than 40 years since her murder.
There is a deep void that will never be filled, a lifetime of memories we were denied.
At Riverbend Maximum Security in Nashville, Darrell Hines executed for the crime. His last words on Thursday, "Tell my son I said hello." His son witnessing his death. Hines' spiritual advisor Diane Gallagher prayed over him as the Department of Correction carried out his sentence.
I beg us, all of us, to make our lawmakers repeal the death penalty law.
While Hines got to address his son, the loved one of Jenkins remind us she did not get to say goodbye to her family. Hines was convicted of brutally stabbing Jenkins on March 3rd, 1985.
He stabbed her 13 times, one of which went all the way through and came out her back.
It happened when Jenkins was a maid at Seabond Motel in Kingston Springs off I-40, a hotel that is no longer there. Court documents show family members heard Hines admit to stabbing someone at the motel, and he took off using Jenkins' car with a bloody shirt. Hines argued someone else was responsible. The Sixth Circuit Court agreed a new trial was necessary, but the Supreme Court reversed that decision. Hines maintained his innocence until the day he died, something the Jenkins family disputes.
While today does not bring closure, nor does it bring my mother back, it does finally bring justice.
Despite how the execution was carried out today, Hines' attorneys still have concerns over capital punishment. Karen Aguilar, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.